Let us evaluate the limit of x sin theta minus theta sin x by x minus theta as x approaches theta. So we want to evaluate this limit as x approaches theta. However, in most of the cases, the only formula that we know is limit h tends to 0 of some expression or limit theta tends to 0. We got x tends to theta. So what we do is we let x minus theta equal to h. That is same as saying x equal to theta plus h. When x approaches theta, then h approaches 0. When x approaches theta, then we find that h approaches 0. So this limit is exactly equal to limit h tends to 0. Instead of x, I should write theta plus h. Instead of x, I should write theta plus h. Instead of x, I should write theta plus h. Instead of x, I should write theta plus h, or x minus theta equal to h. So I can simply write x minus theta equal to h. Rest of the expression I can copy as it is. Sin theta I can copy as it is. Theta I can copy as it is. Sine of x, so I should write sine of theta plus h. Are we done? No. We got limit h tends to 0, but we are not getting standard formula. So let's just rearrange it. So this can be written as limit h tends to 0. You see that I can take theta common. I can write h sin theta separately. Let's write h sin theta separately. So I get h sin theta divided by h. From rest of the expression, I can take theta common. If I take theta common, I will be left out with sin theta minus sin theta plus h. Divided by h, we copy as it is. Divided by h, we copy as it is. Observe that we can cancel h out. So no problem in evaluating this limit as long as h is not equal to 0. As h is changing to 0 or h is tending to 0, theta do not change, so we don't have to worry about this theta. How about sin theta minus sin theta plus h? This is an expression of the type sin c minus sin d, that's equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2. So theta plus h by 2. And then sin c minus d by 2. So theta minus theta plus h by 2. Rest of the expression we can copy as it is. Divided by h, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0. And then just sin theta. Now I can cancel theta out. Sin of minus h by 2, that can simply be written as minus of sin h by 2. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. How about this one? Theta we copy as it is, 2 we copy as it is. 2 theta by theta is simply theta. So cos of theta plus h by 2 divided by h, and still h is tending to 0. Plus sin theta we write as it is. Now we find that we got h by 2. As h tends to 0, so does h by 2. So this is equal to, so we simply divide numerator and denominator by 2 and say that h by 2 tends to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2 tends to simply 1. So you get minus 1. As h by 2 tends to 0, we simply get this expression as cos theta plus sin theta. We copy as it is. Yeah, we are done. So this is equal to sin theta minus theta cos theta.